Hello everyone, Spite here once again, and today we're going to be doing a quick little fix. At least it should be a quick little fix. So in the last video I tried my Goldeneye out and it would not work at all. So that usually means that contacts need cleaned, and you really don't need to take it apart to clean them, but I'm going to take them apart anyway, just check the board out, make sure everything's okay. And yeah, what you're going to need to begin with is a 3.8mm game bit head. I haven't attached my screwdriver already. Some Q-tips just for cleaning, hopefully the only the contacts, which you really don't need to take it apart, but like I said, I just want to take it apart to check the board and everything. And also some isopropyl alcohol to clean it up. So first things first, you have 2 screws in the back, which you just put that on there and twist left, right, hey, lefty loosey, so do left. Now this is actually a oh crap, maybe this isn't gonna work. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I didn't get it right the first time. But actually, this game was one that I got with my N64 when I did buy it. It came as a pair. So also, Goldeneye is a good game to play, man. It's a fun multiplayer game. Except if you play as Odd Job, then screw you. Yeah, just pull that right off. Put it someplace where you know you're going to be able to have it. And it just should come right off, like so. And that's actually really dirty. Yeah. Heat sinks don't really matter as much, I don't think. So you're also going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, which I have the heads. So I need to switch it out really quick. Quick little unscrew here, and here it looks like, and this should pop right off too. So this should just come right up, and here we are. We have the main board. Just take you off. Just take a quick look at these. Pins don't look that bad, but I'm still gonna clean them up, I guess. It doesn't look that bad, actually. And I'm not sure if anything on the board needs fixed up, though. No, 1996. So, I'm gonna set you right here for now. What we're gonna do with the alcohol is we're gonna get one side of the Q-tip wet, not dripping wet though. So it's just like damp. Then you're going to rub up and down on the connectors. Try to get as much, if any, grime off of it. Like I said, you really don't need to take it apart to do this step. Something you can do without even taking it out of the case. I just like taking things apart. And then after you like rub it clean with the wet side, take the dry side and dry it off. Hit a little bit of gunk on there. It's actually coming off of it. We're gonna hit a few more times just to be sure, because I would rather this thing actually work instead of having to go out and pick a new Goldeneye. Alright. So as you can tell from this Q-tip, we'll be able to focus on this. This is close, but it was actually really dirty. And they look a little bit better, to be honest. I don't think it's actually going to help at all because, well, you see the obvious discoloration between what it's supposed to look like and what the pins actually do look like. I don't think there's going to be any way for me to actually get that off there without... Let's see if we can scrub it. Yeah, it's not going to be able to get. I'm not going to be able to get that off with just Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. But they're nice. They're as clean as I can possibly get them with what I have currently. And the board doesn't look messed up, so there's that. I'm not seeing anything wrong with it, so we're just gonna put it back together and see if that cleaning did anything at all. And just a quick look at this too, on these metal heat sinks. I think I'll clean these off too, just because I already have it open and everything. All right, so this little plastic piece, I don't know if it has a certain way of going on. I believe it goes on like this with the notch on the top. It goes on upside down like so. And we'll just see if it fits on. If it doesn't, then it goes the other way. Just so you know. So this should just slide right in there like so. The middle piece goes on top. Alright, it seems to be fitting correctly, so yeah. I guess I did it right. Then you take those screws and just screw it back up. Alright, after you screw that part on, this will just slide right on there. Hopefully it'll work correctly. Oh yeah, and for some reason, like since my cartridge is so old, it actually has two little divots right here. It's supposed to. This one only has one. So what you're gonna want to do is see these little holes right there. You slide it on there from the bottom one, like so they line up, and then you push forward and push down at the exact same time. And so it clicks back into place. But since someone probably took mine apart, since this was like 23 years ago, in that time frame, someone probably took it apart before they put it in the freaking used game store I got it from. And that's why it's missing one. So be aware of that. And just like that, that's taking apart an N64 cartridge and putting it back together, or cleaning it and putting it back together. So we are going to hop over to the computer where I have the capture card set up again. I really need to get an old CRT TV just so I can like show you with it being in the console and everything working on it. But until then, I'm gonna stick with the computer route I'm doing. So let's go plug it into the N64 and see if it works. All right, and here we are on the N64. Let's turn it on. Or the computer, the N64. And it's not plugged in. Well, give me a moment. Oh, never mind, it works. There it goes. Well, looks like got the N64 to work again, or this game to work again on my N64. So that's good. I'm very happy about that because this game is awesome. It's fun to play. Goldeneye. Awesome. All right. Well, that works. That's good. So I consider this a successful repair. So thank you all for tuning in. If you have any other ideas of things you want to see done, let me know. And I will see everyone in the next video of what I do. Bye, guys!